Hey folks, Mike Sakey of Rovi Homes. I'm here at 168 Susan Drive in Westfield, Mass. Come on in and check out this beautiful home. Walking in, you are greeted with wood stairs leading up to your living room with fireplace, which is open to your dining room and kitchen with custom built-ins as well as a center island. Down the hall, you will find an updated full bath with laundry connections, 2 guest rooms, and then the primary bedroom, which has an attached ensuite bathroom with a shower stall. On the lower level, you will have your family room, playroom, and access to the 2-car garage. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed your tour of this home here in Westfield. If you have any questions about this property or any other property, just give me a call at the number below. See you.